Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of In the Crypto. I'm Alex, your go-to for all things storytelling in the crypto world.
And I'm John, your tech guru, ready to dive into the latest and greatest in crypto and technology. So Alex, what do we have today?
Well, there's a lot happening, John. We're seeing $TRUMP token climbing to $73 while Solana hits $276. It's dominating liquidity, you know? Meanwhile, BTC is holding just a minor share, and the rest of the market is, struggling a bit.
Yeah, that's interesting. Solana's Phantom wallet processed 8 million requests per minute, which is just mind-blowing. It shows how meme coin interest can really drive the market. But I'm curious about the tech side of this.
Exactly. And with Trump's inauguration, there was a massive surge in the crypto market. Melania Trump even unveiled a meme token that saw an 11,000% price increase. I mean, how wild is that?
Totally wild. It seems like the Trump family's blockchain venture, World Liberty, is really making waves. They acquired 1,555 ETH at an average price of $3,215. That's a total of $5 million. ETH is showing some bullish momentum here.
Right, and you know, Trump's strategy of creating hype and buying during the dip is classic. They've spent, $112.8 million on crypto, including ETH and BTC? It's a big bet on the market's future.
Yeah, for sure. It's almost like they're setting the stage for a broader market movement. And with Binance CEO CZ hinting that FOMO is just getting started, we might see an altcoin rally. But with over 36.4 million altcoins out there, it could be tricky.
You have a point. With so many altcoins, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But isn't it fascinating how Trump downplayed the significance of his meme coin, calling it small money? It's almost like he's keeping his cards close to his chest.
Exactly, Alex. And speaking of keeping things close, MicroStrategy just added another 11,000 BTC to its reserves. They're going all in, spending $1.1 billion. It's like they're trying to corner the market in some way.
Yeah, and it's not just them. There's talk of RX applying for an ETF featuring $TRUMP, BONK, and DOGE. Meme coins entering traditional financial products is like a whole new world opening up.
That's an interesting development for sure. And with Elon Musk getting involved, putting the Dogecoin logo on a government website, we're seeing how meme culture is bleeding into serious spaces.
Totally. And Musk's frustration with X's recommendation algorithm? I mean, it's relatable, right? Elves. The whole losing my mind bit really hits home for anyone dealing with those algorithms.
And hey, Alex, let's not forget how Trump's token has become a symbol of his influence in the digital space.
Yeah, it's like he's not just playing the political game, but also making waves in the crypto world, right?
Absolutely, Alex. With Musk advocating for blockchain and government systems, it seems like we're on the brink of a tech revolution. It's all about using blockchain to track federal spending and secure data. Exactly, and the way he's capitalizing on his brand power to fuel this token's growth is pretty strategic.
It's like we're living in a sci-fi novel, John. And with Trump's vision for a golden age and renaming the Panama Canal to the American Canal, we're seeing a bold future shaping up. It's fascinating to see how storytelling and tech are intertwined in these developments.
Yeah, it's a real blend of tech and narrative. And with the U.S. government establishing a National Digital Assets Reserve, we're entering a new era of crypto regulation and innovation. It's exciting to see where this will lead.
That reminds me of how he always had a knack for turning the spotlight on himself, you know? Like, remember his reality TV days?
Oh, totally. And it's kind of similar, using media attention to drive interest, only now it's in the crypto markets.
For sure, John. This conversation has been enlightening, and it feels like we're just at the beginning of a new chapter in the crypto story. Thanks for the insights today.
Anytime, Alex. It's always great to chat about these developments. And for our listeners, stay tuned for more exciting updates in the crypto world. Until next time.
Right. It's almost like he's combined his media savvy with the unpredictability of crypto. But do you think this approach is sustainable?
That's a good question. I think it partly depends on how the broader market evolves and if he can maintain that momentum.
Building on what you just said, the crypto market is so volatile. I mean, we've seen some huge swings recently.
Exactly. And $TRUMP tokens rise to $73 is impressive, but it needs to be backed by more than just hype for long-term success.
That's interesting because it ties into the idea of community support. I mean, does $TRUMP have a loyal base beyond the initial hype?
I think there's potential, especially with his existing supporters. But fostering a lasting community around a token is, well, a different ballgame.
Going back to your point about strategy, it's like he's playing a long game. But the question is, will the market play along?
Right, and as more of these meme coins pop up, it'll be crucial to see how $TRMP differentiates itself.
Exactly. It's a fascinating time in the crypto space, and I can't help but think about what this means for other political figures. Are they watching and learning?
Oh, definitely. I bet they're all taking notes on how to leverage this new digital frontier.
Well, it's been a wild ride discussing this with you, John. So many layers to it all.
Absolutely, Alex. Always a pleasure diving into these crypto stories with you.